Hello everyone. Today we discuss about elasticity and its type. Elasticity in managerial economics refers to degree of responsiveness of market or a product to changes in different economic variables such as price, income or supply. Specifically, it measures the percentage change in quality demanded or supplied of the goods or service in response to change in one of the variables. Concept of elasticity is important for managers because it helps them to understand how it change in different economic variable will affect their business operation and profit. For example, if a firm has product with relativeness elastic demand, a small increase in price could lead to significant decrease in demand, resulting in lower revenues and profit. On other hand, if a firm has a product with relatively inelastic demand, it may be able to increase in price without affecting demand especially, resulting in higher profit. There are four types of elasticity: price elasticity of demand, income elasticity of demand, cross elasticity, price elasticity of supply. We will see about price elasticity of demand. Price elasticity of demand is measure of responsiveness of quality demanded of a product or service to changes in its price. It is one of the most important concept in economics as it helps business and policymakers to predict and understand the behavior of customers and producers in the market. The formula for calculating price elasticity of demand is percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. If price elasticity of demand is greater than 1, demand is said to be elastic. This means that small change in price will result in large change in quantity demanded. For example, if the price of the product increases by 10% and quantity demanded falls by 20%, then the price elasticity of demand would be minus 2. This demand is elastic. If price elasticity of demand is less than 1, demand is said to be inelastic. This means that change price will result in small change in quantity demanded. For example, if the price of product increases by 10% and the quantity demanded fall by only 5%, then price elasticity of demand would be minus 0.5. This indicates that demand is inelastic. When price elasticity of demand is equal to 1, demand is said to be unit elastic. This means that change in price will result in equal change in quantity demanded. For example, if price of product increase by 10% and the quantity demanded fall by 10%, the price elasticity of demand would be minus 1. This indicates that demand is unit elastic. Next we will see about income elasticity of demand. Income elasticity of demand is measure how much quantity demanded of the product or service changes in response to change in income level. It is calculated as percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in income. The formula for income elasticity of demand is percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in income. If income elasticity of demand is positive, the product is considered a normal good, which means that income increase. The quantity demanded also increase. Yeah, income elasticity of demand greater than 1 indicates that the product is luxury product, which means that as income increase, the quantity demanded increases fast rate. When it is less than 1, indicate that the product is necessarily good, which means as income increase as quantity demanded increase at slower rate. If income elasticity of good is negative, the product is considered as inferior good, which means that income increase, a quantity demanded decrease. An example of an inferior good is store brand product, which customers tend to buy less as their income increase and they can afford more expensive brand. Next, we will see about cross elasticity of demand. Cross elasticity of demand is a measure of how much quantity demanded of one product change in response to change in price of another related product. It is calculated as percentage change in quantity demanded of the one product divided by percentage change in price of related product. If cross elasticity of demand is positive, the two products are considered substitutes, which means that as product of one price of price of one product increase, the demand for the other product also increase. For example, if price of Coca-Cola increases, the demand for Pepsi may increase as those customers switch to cheaper alternatives. If cross elasticity of demand is negative, the two products are considered complements, which means as the price of one product increase, the demand for the other product decrease. For example, price of car increase, the demand for gas oil may decrease as the customer are less likely to buy car and drive. If cross elasticity of demand is zero, the two products are considered unrelated, which means that the change in price of one product has no effect on demand for the other product. Next, we will see about price elasticity of supply. Price elasticity of supply measure how much the quantity supplied of the product change in response to change in its price. It is calculated as percentage change in quantity supplied divided by percentage change in the price. When price elasticity of supply is high, small change in price leads to the large change in quantity supplied. When price elasticity of supply is low, small change in price leads to small change in quantity supplied. That's all. Thank you.